Hi there, guys. This is Trailrider 570. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a minute or so. Weather hasn't been really good, and I got kind of busy helping my neighbor out. But I wanted to do this quick video up. I found this stuff, and somebody recommended it to me. You know how your Polaris Ranger, the black, gets to start dull and gray looking? You know, and you say, well, I got a nice unit, but the plastic around the fender wells and where your gas tank is and your kick panels and all that, it starts to get like you can't clean it, or even the box of it. I found this stuff that somebody told me about, and it's right here. It's called Turtle Wax Trim Restore, quick and easy. And yes, it does work. You basically put it on a microfine towel, which you can find these towels anywhere, and you just wipe it on there. Make sure you overlap with it so that you get all the areas. Well, I did my Ranger yesterday with it because I cleaned it up because I couldn't ride. We just had a major rainstorm, so it's pretty mucky, and the weather's decent, but I'm gonna wait. But I'm going to show you what the Ranger looks like now, and you can see the black in it with our shop light, with my shop lighting here. And actually, you can see a spot right there. I did not get it. I got to wipe that down right there. You can see the difference right there and right there. I did all the plastic with it, all the black. I did around the fender arches here. Did the floor. I did we'll tip this up. I did the back of it right there as well. This is where it gets all the crap thrown on. You can see, actually you can see where I missed. So I'm gonna wipe it up, touch it up again. You can see the difference right here. It's kind of shiny, and then it's kind of dull looking. So I just gotta hit that up again. But you can see where I've got it. And I got a little spot right there. But when you put this stuff on and you let it set 5 minutes, then you, right here's a good shot of the tailgate, see how shiny it is. Let it set for 5 minutes and wipe it in. But here's the sides. All the way around the box. You can see the back of the cab there. And that. I even did the, well, I guess you call this roll bar. I even did this with it when I was wiping it all the way around, because you get them brush scrapes. Well, there's still a few there, but it actually cleans them up too, from the branches hitting against the cab. But yeah, it was like, I don't know, I can't remember what I paid. Let me see if it's got a price tag on it. That'll tell us a lot. No, it's free. I think it was like 15, 20 bucks, something like that for it. But this is a good thing to have with you when you're, if you want to keep your Ranger looking nice. You can do your grill with it. You can do all the plastics. I actually wiped off some of my bumper with it. Wiped down the bumper with it too, so it works pretty good. I got a spot right there. See right there? We'll just wipe that up there, or touch that up, and it'll be gone. But yeah, and it was like, I had somebody tell me about it, about the stuff. Sorry about the air compressor. I had somebody tell me about it, and you can see the box of it, how nice it is. I wiped down the box of it, the cab roof, and it only took me, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes to do it all. Just wipe it on there, let it set for 5 minutes, and wipe it off. And like I say, you can see right here, I got to hit it. That's where I missed. That's my bad. And yeah, I just want to put this out there, and it's called Turtle Wax Trim Restore, quick and easy. And I got this we got a Myers store here. Depends where your store is. You can check auto stores that sell this stuff, but it works really easy. Right there's the directions. But yeah, I'd recommend it. I was also going to let you know, I do these shots where I'm in the cab and, you get that view of back of me. That's really easy. I have this mount that I hold my camera with. And see these lock and ride holes right here? It's the right size. It just fits right in there, just like that. You can get a shot of the ceiling. But yeah, it just fits right in these holes. My mount does. And then you just stick it in there. Then I just extend it a little bit. But that's how I've been doing them. But yeah, I just want to quick put that out there for you guys. And, I don't know if a lot of them are, I'm ADHD. I got to keep my stuff nice. You can tell around my truck there is a 2014. And my wife's car is a 2016. You can see how clean they look. And I work hard to keep them that way. So that's just the way I am, I guess. I mean, up there I got a bike. It's 24 years old. I bought it brand new. And it's in showroom condition. That's how well I take care of my stuff. Always have. So, but anyway, I'm veering off subject. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, if you will, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future updates. And as always, I will get back with you with newer videos coming up. I got little projects I got to get done for next week. I got to go into Grand Rapids, and I'm going to be renting one of the trailable cherry lifts. I got to trim a tree in town. So I may just set my camera up there and do some recording of that too. I know it's not the trail ride and stuff, and I probably see my views dropping off or people leaving my channel. Don't do that, because I try to put a little different content up here as well. So as always, I will see you in the next one, and bye-bye, and God bless.